Welcome to Navigating the Mysteries of the Vikings, the podcast that explores the legends, exploits, and culture of the Vikings. In each episode, we will dive into the stormy waters of the North Sea and sail through the centuries. The Vikings, people of Scandinavia, also known as Norsemen, began to come to Britain between the 8th and 9th centuries. By the end of the 870s, the Vikings occupied most of eastern England. Their territory was called the Danelaw. The name Viking comes from the Old Norse and meaning a pirate raid. Anglo-Saxon sources describe terrible Viking raids in which people were massacred, churches destroyed, and attacked local people. However, beyond the myth of the Vikings with horned helmets, historians also describe them as mostly farmers, craftsmen, or traders. Ships are the essence of the Viking Age. Viking ships were ocean vessels of unique structure called longships. They were slender and flexible boats used both for military purposes and for long-distance trade, exploration, and colonization. In fact, they founded the city of Dublin and York, whose Viking name was Jorvik. Often, the front of the ship was decorated with a carving of an animal head, perhaps a dragon or a snake. One of the best Viking museums is the Viking Ship Museum in Norway, outside Oslo, where the famous Oseberg ship was discovered. In Denmark, the unique ship museum on the Roskilde Fjord near Copenhagen recreates a Viking settlement near the harbor. You can take a grip on the ash oars and follow the boat builders, see Viking true tools, wood and ropes they used, and taste Nordic Viking food. In the York Museum in England, called Jorvik, you can explore the well-preserved remains of part of the Viking city of Jorvik, like workshops, fences, animal pens, pits, and wells, pottery, metalwork, and bones. What is the legacy of the Vikings today? Any place that ends in by, Derby or Grimsby, for example, comes from Old Norse meaning a farmstead or village. Those ending in thorp mean a new village, those ending in thwaite a meadow, and those ending in dale a valley. The names of the days of the week have a Viking origin and refer to the Norse mythology. Wednesday comes from Woden, a variation of Odin. Thursday is named after the Norse god of thunder and means Thor's day, whilst Friday derives from Frigg, the Norse goddess and wife of Odin. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Continue following our podcast for more adventures and historical discoveries.